Hi guys, let's talk today about formal emails. This is the way that we've got in our business to answer the customers that they've got angry with us, or even if we have any problem with the suppliers or any other person that is involved in our business. In your future, probably you will use this type of writing because it's very common that you have to write sometimes because something went wrong or because you failed in some aspects. So let's work a little bit about what's a formal email, yes, regarding the complaints. So we can check that for a hotel, for a restaurant, we've got some customer service that the customers expect. So the first one is to be treated with courtesy. The second is they want a warm welcome. And finally, they want standards like in hygiene or safety that we have to achieve. If we don't achieve it, it's possible that these customers could put a complaint against our business. Something that is very common, especially in the hospitality jobs, because you're facing lots of customers, you're facing with the fragile product such as the food in a restaurant or rooms in a hotel. So let's work a little bit. How is the structure of email? So the first thing I want to tell you is that all the emails they have got, obviously, as you know how they work. So the emails are written by someone. They've got a subject, yes. So it's something that is in the subject. Normally in the subject we write like something that is summing up what's in the email, and then all the emails start with something that is called the greeting, yes, or how we welcome this email. So basically, that is two ways. The first way is when we know the name of the person. So if we know the name of the person, write the surname, yes. So for instance, in this email, dear Mr. Jones. If we don't know the person, we can say dear sir or dear sir or madam if we don't know the gender. So the second step is to write an introduction. The first line, or the first two lines of this email, they are giving us the main idea of the complaint. So he's saying, I'm writing to complain about the last order. I made the order a week ago and you promised to deliver me within 3 days. The order was delivered yesterday, 3 days late. So this is the main idea of the complaint. And then you've got a more extensive paragraph where is described what happened. And finally, in the same email, we can see the last sentence where it says, please call me in order to find a solution of these problems. Unless we find an acceptable solution, a restaurant will look for an alternative supplier. So normally when we complain about something, we are giving a description of what happened, but at the same time we are giving some expectations about what it has to change in benefit of both businesses. In that case, because we know the name of the person, we can end the email saying yours sincerely. If it was the case that we don't know the name of the person and we have to say dear sir or miss, dear sir or madam, we should write in the bottom yours faithfully. And then all the emails must be finished by your name and signature. So this is how a formal email works when we have to complain about something. Let's have a look to the email when we have to reply for some complaint. Imagine that you are the manager, the owner of a restaurant, the manager of a hotel, and you should answer you should reply an email about something that it happened. So let's see this example. The first one, remember the subject, it says apologies, and because we know the name of the person, dear Mrs. Armstrong. And the first line, thank you for your email. Very helpful to start with this. Yes, is a very useful language. It's very common, you can say that. Okay, thank you for your email. And then, I am sorry to you and your family didn't enjoy your meal at the restaurant. Yes, so this is the first line. We are giving our apologies. And then giving an explanation. The following two paragraphs, we are talking about how it's going to be. And then we also we are giving a final statement where we are trying to offer, yes, something in exchange. So it says, I hope you will visit our restaurant again. On your next visit, we will be happy to offer you complimentary drinks. So we are offering free drinks for this person and the family when they'll back to our business. And then we finish with this sincerely, yes, because we know the name of the person. Let's see this useful language that we can use. Yes, so when we are writing an email of complaint, remember this useful language is I am writing to complain about, we were extremely disappointed with, the service we received was, we expect the best to be compensated for, rude, unhelpful, late, inefficient. Some vocabulary to complain about something. Okay? And then when we write a reply, we've got some also useful language, yes? So for example, I'm writing to complain about I was extremely disappointed. The service was, I expect you to, yes? So this is also to give, to send a complaint, okay? As I said to you, when we have to reply a complaint, we should have in mind all these expressions. So thank you for your email. I am sorry that, and then also apologies, and then I suggest that is very useful as well. Also this, I apologize for, and whatever. This happened because, and obviously by the end you can say, I hope you will come back. Yes, I hope you will visit our restaurant again. So this is how the structures of the emails, the complaining emails work. Yes. So if we go back to the to our Google Classroom, you will see that you've got a new task. Yes, that is writing an email. So you've got a couple of documents where you can check out at home very peacefully how it works, how are the complaints, how are the emails, useful language, vocabulary. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate, ask me. And then the task consists in writing you can choose. You can write a complaint or you can reply a complaint. It doesn't matter. But I want you to practice a little bit about the email, the formal emails. It doesn't matter if you write a complaint or you reply a complaint. So this is all. I hope that I helped you. Thank you.